realm of aquatic landscaping, I specialize in constructing various aquatic habitats such as ponds, streams, wetlands, and waterfalls. Embracing a holistic approach, I incorporate native plants to establish a self-sustaining ecosystem garden. As the self-proclaimed ecosystem gardener, I take pleasure in introducing native fish and fauna to enrich my projects. From freshwater mussels, yabbies and crayfish to fish, snails, beneficial bacteria, diatoms, and occasionally turtles and tadpoles, my creations thrive with biodiversity. These gardens undergo a transformative journey, transcending their individual components to become harmonious sanctuaries. Each day unveils new experiences and interactions with wildlife, fostering a deeper connection to nature.